Spalchik got hands up for Trad TV.
We're live from Bees Knees TV today.
And here's the theme tune.
We've got a great set of videos for you this week with loads of Scottish talent.
Agus has sin atáiseach le Ross Cooper, Aidan Neil, agus Tom Oakes, Aidan Guitar, agus at the Dulchlich Cathcart. That was Ross Cooper and Tom Oakes with Cathcart, which is on a brand new album of theirs. Next up, we've got another new album, and this one's about Shinty, and this is The Cammon Man from Gary Ennis.
And historic, evolved and mature, like cask strength whiskey, so strong and so pure. You captured our heart, hold on with some style. Our Highland religion drip fed as a child, an education of sorts, a mark of respect. To play this old sport, help villages connect. For those who've not seen it, it's hard to explain just how much pride we have in our game. It's the game of the Gaels, the language of our clans. No place for fear to commandeer the hand. Cammon Man. From the dawn of time through mist-covered glens, clans once gathered, there were hundreds of men. Now we call time, they'd last many days, wearing full Highland dress with their tartan plaids. For 90 short minutes we'd contest and collide, and once it's all over, cast difference aside, an offer of hand to greet one another, a nod of respect for you wood-swinging brothers. It's the game of the Gaels, the language of our clans, no place for fear or to commandeer the heart of the Cammon Man. Once my best friend, my release from life's throes, but now it feels right that I should let go. I've had my time, which is hard to admit, life ever-changing, no time to commit. Oh, I'll miss to stand as 12 healthy men, to toss a coin on which end to defend, hear the whistle ring out as the ball's thrown high. 50 bright eyes cast towards the sky, take a knock, take a bang, take a smack, take a clatter. In years to come, none of it will matter, to run like the wind and to leap like the salmon. A small price to pay to say you've held a Cammon. It's the game of the Gaels, the language of our clans, no place for fear to commandeer the heart of the Cammon Man.
A few weeks ago, lots of Scottish bands went across to France to play in Brittany at the Lorient Festival. They had an amazing time. It was all about showcasing Scottish traditional music.
As finished, as an dach lounge na blazing fiddles, agus na elephant sessions.
And here's one of the amazing outtake moments late at night with Ewan Smiley of the band crowd surfing. And if you look carefully, you might also see Mohsen Amini in the background somewhere as well. Wish you were there. It looks like they were having an amazing time. In fact, if you were there, why don't you send us a message? It'd be great to hear from you. Now, to keep up with all the Hands Up for Trad news, why don't you follow us on Twitter, which is /Hands Up for Trad, Facebook /Hands Up for Trad, or join our newsletter at www.handsupfortradnewsletter.com. And why don't you check out the BBC Alba Facebook page? They've just got that starting. It's looking really good with lots of brilliant videos.
As je nu dach lounge will rant, I use fast na cluish let dus an Fernyaka a Celtic Connections in Niddy, and it's called A Project for Projection. Inist as in je dat uurtje is een nodige pretten, daar Erlang Vria voor de glution as Shorty McIntyre. 4 jaar vliepende a uurtje is as Mac Modern Kujok uit de piano a ke pretten. As had de kluch calling aan de college in de Gaelic aan de pretten. Now we're going to hear from fantastic Seth Yost piper and Kibreton piano player Mac Modern in College in the Gaelic in Kibreton.
When I was in Ennis last week, I got to hear some amazing concertina playing by Killian King, and this is his band Atlas. This is fantastic.
Tapelation son of a calling it, hands up for Trad TV, as he's on the Gala Show.
Cheers.
Cheerio!